Good morning, children. Class 10th. Let us continue chapter trigonometry. We are discussing here problems based on finding angles and sides of a right triangle under given conditions. Let us see first question. Using sine A minus B, which is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, we have to find out the value of sine 15 degree. Here what to do? For 15 degree, we can write here 45 minus 30 because 45 minus 30 is 15 degree. Angle A is 45 and B is 30. You can see here. And then we will substitute the value of A and B. We will substitute the value of A and B in the given expression, which is sine A minus B equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. After substituting the value, you can see here in this expression, sine, in place of A it is 45, in place of B it is 30 degree, again A is 45, B is 30, and in the whole expression we have written here A is 45 and B is 30 degree. You can see here 45 minus 30 is 15 degree, therefore it is the value of sine 15, and we will substitute the value of sine 45 cos 30 cos 45 sine 30. After substituting the value, we are getting 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Let us multiply both of them. We are getting root 3 upon 2 root 2, and multiplying these two, we are getting 1 upon 2 root 2. By taking LCM, we are getting root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. And then what to do? We can't leave denominator in terms of root 2. That's why we have to rationalize it. By rationalization, we are getting root 6 minus root 2 upon 4, which is called the value of sine 15 degree. Similarly, we can find out the value of second expression, which is cos A plus B, which is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. And we have to find out the value of cos 75 degree. For this, what to do? Again, we have to choose angles A and B. And you know, when we will take 45 and 30 and by adding both of them, we are getting 75. So this you can see here now in the second part, which is cos 75, which is equal to 75 is 45 plus 30. Angle A is 45, B is 30 degree, and we will replace both values in this expression, substitute the values of A and B in cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Therefore, after replacing A as 45, B as 30, in the whole expression, we will get cos 45 cos 30 minus sin 45 sin 30. Here what to do? We will add both of them. It will become cos 75 value, and we will replace the values of cos 45 cos 30 and sin 45 sin 30. After replacing these values, we are getting root 3 by 2 root 2 and minus 1 by 2 root 2. By taking LCM, we are getting root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Again, we can't leave root 2 in the denominator. That's why we have to rationalize it by root 2. After rationalization, we are getting root 6 minus root 2 upon 4, which is called the value of cos 75. So in this way, we can use them and we can find out the value of any expression if angles are related to the trigonometric table. And the next question is, you can see here, it is if sine A plus 2B equal to root 3 by 2 and cos A plus 4B equal to 0, then and A greater than B and A plus 4B is less than or equal to 90, then we have to find out the value of A and B. Here what is given to us? Given sine A plus 2B equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, in place of root 3 by 2, we can write sine 60 because sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And why we are taking sine? Because on the left hand side, again we are having sine. You can see here it is sine. Sine we can remove. Therefore, what we have A plus 2B equal to 60 degrees. So in this way, we can find out one equation in terms of A and B. Similarly, by using cos A plus 4B, we can find out the second equation in terms of A and B, and how? You can see here, let me show you. cos A plus 4B equal to 0, and 0 cos 90 is 0. Therefore, we are writing cos 90 because on the left hand side again we are having cos removed. Again we are having one more equation, A plus 4B equal to 90 degree. Now we have two equations. One is A plus 2B equal to 60 and other is A plus 4B equal to 90. And by elimination method, we are finding the value of A and B. So you can see here, we are subtracting both the equations, and by subtracting them, we are getting minus 2B equal to minus 30. Therefore, B is minus 30 upon minus 2, minus minus cancel, and 2 and 30 cancel. Value of B is 15 degree. We will substitute this value in any one of the equation. Here we are substituting this value in first equation. And by substituting the value of B, which is 15 degree, you can see here 2 into 15 is 30 degree, and 30 degree shifted on the other side. So there it is the value of A, which is 30 degree. Now the value of A is 30 and B is 15 degree. So in this way, we are finding values of the angles. Now, using them, you can solve this assignment yourself, and exercise 8.2, you try yourself. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next time.